to how to easily crop videos on Premiere Pro, continue watching this video. At first, add your video to timeline on Premiere Pro, then go to Effects tab. If you don't have effects, go to Top, Window tab and click on Effects. Click on the box and type Crop. Go to the top to Effect Controls. If you don't have that, go to Window again and click on Effect Controls. Drag and drop Crop Effect to Effect Controls. Come down and change values for left, right, top and bottom. By increasing number, you can crop the video from left, right, top and bottom. If you check zoom, you can have cropped video full screen. If you want to undo change, click on arrow back icons. That's all. Also, you can watch these videos. Thank you for watching this video.